Hey everyone, so today I got the Platero Blocks, and I think this is called Tankoo. I think that might be what the company's. Anyway, they sent this over to me to try, and this one is rated for 14 plus, so this is not going to be for your little kids. They do have small pieces, so you definitely want to keep these away from toddlers and stuff. And these little metal balls, they can easily fall out. Like I dropped one of these earlier, and I lost one somewhere, so I got to find it and get it inserted back in. But anyway, you have two different colors here, or I mean, technically there's 4 colors total if you want to count both sides of each one. But you got your black ones, or it's black on one side, clear on the other, and then you got your red ones, which is also clear on the other side. Now, the black ones are magnetic, the red ones are not. But each red one does have a steel little ball that will connect to the black ones. All right, so on the box, they call it a fidget aid, a focus enhancer, and sensory object, and a desk decoration. And the package includes 20 magnetic and 12 non-magnetic, which are the red ones. And just to show you the box, it does have a section where you can put them in. So I did have a ball made, but then I demolished it, and I'd have to build another one. But you could do a lot of different things with this. You can, I mean, it's pretty much a fidget toy. If you're somebody that just likes to fidget with things, just move things. You can put some in your hand, just move them around, do different things with them. You could also create little like shapes and animals and things that you would like. Like I said, you could also do like the ball, which I did that. It's pretty neat. I'll go ahead and do another one here really quick. Now you'll have to alternate them because, like I said, the black ones are magnetic, the red ones are not. So you may have to just move them around, kind of play with them a little bit. But if you do it just right, you'll be able to use all of them and not have an issue. All right, so there's our balls. Now these are not the strongest magnets in the world, of course. So this is going to be really easy to demolish and to fall apart. If you drop it, it's going to go into pieces, or if you just squeeze it, it's going to go into pieces. But it's still pretty cool to play with. But you can alternate colors, you can alternate shapes, you can build different things with it. You don't have to build the balls. I don't know, I think it's kind of fun. It will kind of hold up. I mean, well, that one almost fell out. You can kind of play with it a little bit, and they'll almost kind of snap back, but they do fall off pretty easily. But anyway, if you are into the fidget stuff, you like to play with this kind of stuff, and you're interested in this, definitely check it out. It's different compared to a lot of the other fidget stuff that I have played with, and I think that this one is actually kind of cool. This is one of my more favorite fidget items. Now, if you are interested in more information or you would like to get a set of these, I will put a link down below. Anyway, thank you for watching.